Well guys, the snow came, so I'll go out here and play around some more. It's nothing but a sheet of white. I'm not sure how much we got. The fence there doesn't kind of tell because it blows underneath of it. So let's go out here and walk around for a minute. Oh, there's probably 2 or 3, probably 3 inches there against the house. Not a whole lot of it. Let's see if the snapper will push it around. So let's go find out. while, guys. I don't know if you guys see this. I'm a little sweaty. Damn little snowblower thing makes you work a little. So had that out and did around the edges and stuff and pushed some stuff up, but you can't really push with the snowplow there. I hadn't looked at the video yet, so I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to see. I did make a few swipes over here, tried to in front of it, and then went over to the neighbor's house here. So I'll show you kind of what I did here. So this is my driveway. This is where I took the snowblower up through here. But we got, this is the snow that was here. So it's probably, I don't know, a good 2.5, 3 inches. I got to put a new drive wheel on the snapper there. She works okay, but I noticed it there during the summer. You got to put it in 5th gear there. It seems to want to kind of lag there a little. But pushed all this stuff down through here. I don't know what you guys are going to be able to see. I did the guy's driveway over here too. But that big pile of snow that's over there is from me piling it up over there. He had a little bit that was along the fence there that I couldn't get away from the fence. But I piled it up all over there, and then that little bit there he did. So the rest of that's all pretty much for me. And then the neighbors over here too did all that and pushed it up there. He didn't do any of that stuff, so that's all from his driveway. And then here's some more. Yeah, I like playing in the snow, guys. If you can tell, I've been out here a couple times today. I used a snowblower to go around the cars and stuff. I make a path in the yard for the dogs who use the potty and stuff. Because if I don't, then, you know, they won't want to come outside, especially the little dog. She almost gets swallowed up in the snow as it is. But, yeah, it's like 2 o'clock, guys, and I still have to go to work. And it's crappy, and the roads are shitty.